Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to view queue on Spotify. So click on your Spotify app and in this home page you can see this is my recently played music. Click on it and you can see here three horizontal line. So click on it and you can see all of the queues are here. So you can click on it and hear your song here. So this is how you can view queue on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.